Dmitry Muratov is a Russian journalist. He was born on 30 October 1961, Samara, Russia. Awards: the Nobel Peace Prize jointly with Maria Ressa for their efforts to safeguard freedom of expression in 2021. Maria Ressa, she of Rappler, Filipino and American journalist. She was born on 2nd October 1963, age 58 years, Manila, Philippines. Awards: 2021 Nobel Peace Prize. Abdul Razak Gunna is a Tanzanian novelist. He was born on 20 December 1948, age 72 years, Sultan of Zanzibar. Awards: Nobel Prize in Literature 2021. Adam Potapoutian is an American molecular biologist. He was born on 2nd October 1967, Beirut, Lebanon. Awards: Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. David Julius is an American physiologist. He was born on 4th November 1955, age 65 years, New York, United States. Awards: Breakthrough Prize in Life Science, Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 2021. Next, Nobel Prize Klaus Hesselmann is a German oceanographer. He was born on 25th October 1931, age 89 years, Hamburg, Germany. Awards: he was awarded the 2021 Nobel Prize in Physics jointly with Vikram Bey and Giorgio Paris. Next, Giorgio Paris is an Italian physicist. Born 4th August 1948, age 73 years, Rome, Italy. Awards: Nobel Prize in Physics in 2021. Next, Nobel Prize Vikram Bey is a Japanese educator and American meteorologist and climatologist. He was born on 21st September 1931. Awards: Nobel Prize in Physics on 5th October 2021. David Julius is an American physiologist. He was born on 4th November 1955, age 65 years, New York, United States. Awards: Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine, Breakthrough Prize in Life Science. Next, Nobel Prize Benjamin List is a German chemist. He was born on 11th January 1968, Frankfurt, Germany. Awards: Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2021. Next, Nobel Prize David Macmillan is a Scottish chemist. Born 16th March 1968, age 53 years, Belsil, United Kingdom. Awards: Corde Morgan Medal, member of the National Academy of Science 2018, Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2021. Next, Guido Imbens is a Dutch economist. He was born on 3rd September 1963, Netherlands. Awards: Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Science 2021. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our Indian GK Point. Thank you very much.